Hello, dear students. This is the sixth session of unit number 1, that is basic of software testing and testing method. Our today's topic is method of testing. There are two methods of testing an application, that is static testing and dynamic testing. We have already discussed this at the time of V model. So verification process is a static testing and validation is a dynamic testing. Uh, Static testing means what? Static testing In static testing, the code is not executed, rather, it manually checks the code, requirement documents, and design documents to find error, hence, the name is static. Means what? You need to check an application or you need to examine the application by checking the documents, manually check the code, requirements, and the design, but you are not going to execute any application or any code at the time of examination. You are just reviewing it. That's why it is called as static testing. The main objective of this testing is to improve the quality of software product by finding errors in the early stages of the development cycle. This testing is also called as non-execution technique or verification testing. Next is dynamic testing. Under dynamic testing, a code is executed, means you need to check an application by executing it. So you are creating a test cases, you are passing input to an application, you are executing application. After execution, whatever the result, that is called as actual result, we'll check that actual result with the expected result, and according to that we are checking the application. Okay, we are finding bugs. So at the time of verification and validation, or we can say that V model, we discuss that validation, that phases means unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. These testing types are comes under the dynamic testing, because to perform this type of testing you need to execute an application, so that's why it's called as dynamic. Under dynamic testing, a code is executed. It checks the functional behavior of a software system, memory, CPU usage, and overall performance of a system. Hence, the name is dynamic. The main objective of this testing is to execute the software and validate the output with the expected outcome. This testing is also called as execution technique or validation testing, or called as validation testing. So the difference between system static testing and dynamic testing is, static testing is a white box testing which is done at early stage of development life cycle. It is more cost effective than dynamic testing. Dynamic testing, on the other hand, is done at the latter stage of development life cycle. The static testing method includes the walkthrough code review. The dynamic testing involves the functional and non-functional testing. Static testing is done before code deployment and without execution of code. Dynamic testing is done after code deployment with the execution of code. Static testing type of testing comes under the verification. Dynamic testing types of testing comes under the validation. Static testing achieves 100% statement coverage in a relatively short time. Dynamic testing may involve running several test cases, each of which may take longer time. May take longer time. Static testing is about the prevention, dynamic testing is about the cure. The static testing technique is a checklist, is prepared for testing process, and dynamic testing technique is a test cases that are executed. So this is enough for today. Thank you.